Here we have the little Savage Rascal 22 long rifle. It's got a little peep sight, nice little post up front, single shot bolt action, cocks when you open the bolt. Nice thing this rifle here has compared to a Cricket is that little red feed ramp in there. You just drop your round in and it slides up the feed ramp when you close the bolt. That's a nice little feature there. You don't have to drop your round directly into the chamber. Makes it a little faster to load than a Cricket, but about the same weight. I think this one is 2 pounds 12 ounces. My Cricket was 2 pounds 13 ounces. Light little rifle. I mean, as light as some handguns. I mean, fits in your pack. Easy to toss in your boat when you go fishing. Carry with you hiking. Or if you want to get into small game hunting. I mean, it's a nice little open sight rifle to try it out. It don't cost a lot of money. I saw these things at Academy for $155 earlier this week. Also saw them for sale at Atwood's for $180. So there's that story. But I like tiny little 22 rifles. Yeah, it's kind of my idea of a survival gun is one you use to go out and shoot squirrels and rabbits for the dinner pot, not to ward off angry mobs that are trying to kill you. I'm not really a zombie apocalypse theory person. I don't think it's gonna happen. But little Savage Rascal, little rascally rifle. Rapid fire.